Just do that all the way. Oof, frick, okay. Now, some lotion, moisturizer, whatever, same thing. I'm just gonna make it a simple kind of look, I think. Put it a little bit on my hand, and literally a small, like, what the heck? Just get literally the corners of my eyes, and then I go down a little bit. I'll even like dab at it if I feel like it's a little too harsh. And I put it on my eyelid too. Okay. Dab, dab. No, it's kerosene. Okay, now because I have all these little mini atrocities on my face, I know other people have it way worse than me, but like still nobody likes it. Common denominator, you know? Honestly, it's just the redness like that I'm trying to mask here because I get red a lot. I'm embarrassed, or if I'm hot, or if I'm mess with my skin too much. That's what happens. So just don't rub it around, just tap on it. See how it already looks like I have a little bit of blush on? Well, recently I've been liking the super blush. It's been kind of a thing, and I like when it goes across my nose. Don't know why. It's like a lip and cheek tint. Lip and cheek tint. It's just a eBay brush. I don't know where to find it, so good luck. And I just put her on. And this camera makes everything extremely more saturated. I'll just fix it in post, but like it is very saturated opposed to how it looks kind of in real life. If it looks like that in real life, I wouldn't be mad, you know. Usually you use your fingers for this, but it comes out like uneven on either side. Like I'll put too much on this side or not enough on this side, so I just like don't ever do it. Even though it's summertime, it's just cute. It makes it look like you're just like warm. And then I put a little bit up here on my forehead. Yep. Right back on the chin. I know that kind of defeats the purpose because I put the foundation on it to hide redness, but like my redness is uneven. So I want it to be kind of like a little less acne red, a little more like, oh, I'm blushing red, you know? This Benefit Cheek palette, whatever. And I've been taking this shimmery Rocketeer shade. Looks like it'd be way too dark for me, but she's not that crazy, so we let her stay. And it may look like I'm going way over the top. I'm not. Because it all comes together in the end, yes! So I have this Neutrogena Shine Control powder, but I put some RCMA powder in the container. It's like literally just sitting on top of the Neutrogena powder, but because they both work kind of. But I put a little bit and a little bit. I'm gonna do my eyebrows next, so what I do is this is a little Arbonne Shape It brow, whatever. Just take the spoolie first, get my little brows in check with what they're supposed to be doing. Checkmate. Then I take the pencil side and I just barely, I define my tail a little more, just like little light brush strokes to do that. And then I stay underneath my brow contour line, basically, like just along the underside. And then a little bit on that. But I don't really fill it in too much besides that, okay? And we buoy her out again. Just for Safe Measure Glossier Boy Brow. Like this a lot. I really do like it a lot. Okay, so I take it and I start in the middle because it kind of can start out kind of harsh if you don't pay attention. Very lightly I go with it because, again, I don't want it to go on too heavy, and then because now that it's kind of dispersed on the brush by that point, I bring it towards the front. So now that I have my eyebrows done, I'm gonna do my eyes. I'm just gonna put a little shimmer on them. I'm gonna be very au naturel today, okay? So I take the Too Faced Natural Eye Silk Teddy. Okay, take my finger. Yep. And then she just goes right on top. Pretty self-explanatory. Yeah. Nice. Like it. Like it a lot. Oh, I didn't do my light contour. Okay, we're gonna do that then. I take my Morphe M510 brush and I take the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. Eye palette. It's the eye palette. It's not even the contour palette. But whatever. I use the middle one. That. I literally go 1, 2, 3, like barely 1, 2, 3, tap, tap. And then I put her right up underneath. See, I'm already getting a little more red. And usually I would cover that up, but I kind of don't care today, so. So we can see this versus kind of. It's all light. It's all really light, and who knows if anyone can tell or see what I've done. The only thing that matters is that I like what I did. Right? Yeah. I agree. I'm gonna put a little bit underneath here too. I'm gonna put a little bit on my corners. Highlight. I'll take my Glossier highlight stick, Halo Scope, and I just place it on. So we just rub it in. Cool. I put a little bit on my nose, and on my center. Then I take a little bit and I put it right here. You can tell kind of. I put a little bit here. I don't like to because recently I've noticed that I've been doing that a lot and I've gotten a couple blackheads right there, so not cool. Now I take this Makeup for Forever highlighter and Fusion Pro. Undetectable Illuminator. Freeze Powder. Maybe it's 5. Can't tell ya. But it looks like this. We're just gonna. Oh, okay. Anyway, so I just tap it on because I don't want it to spread around weird. Tap, tap, tap. Ooh, gotta blend that out. Shoot. My nose. Oh, I don't have it. I'm gonna use my finger. Okay. Now, we are going to put on mascara. I think maybe I should add a little bit of shade in my eyeball. So I'm gonna go with don't you love that sound? Take the cheek parade, and I'm gonna say boop 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 bop. You know what I'm saying? You feel that bop? Boop 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 bop. And then we just put her right a little bit in there so that I kind of have an eyeball. I have been using this Maybelline Total Temptation mascara, but it's almost out, so I'm probably just going to use it for a little basey base. And for me, I look like an alien until I put my mascara on, and then mascara just makes a world of a difference for any anything I do. And eyebrows too, honestly. They make it all better. I'm gonna put a little blue in my waterline because I feel fun. I feel fun today. Oh, and I have to do something else. Okay. I put. How fun is that?
Is this fun or what?
Okay. Now I'm gonna do my other eye. Also, one of my eyes always does better with mascara than the other one, and it's always this one, I feel. Like, that one's okay, but like this one, I don't know, it just did better. It just always does. Okay, now I'm taking this old, but never used, so new, Avon Super Shock Max Mascara Waterproof. And I blink tap the top edges. Blink tap the top edges. Now, we are basically done. Oh, right, I have to put on lipstick. But okay, tips and tricks. How to apply lipstick. Oh, found it in my fanny. So what we do, Bare Minerals in Kitty. Okay, and how we do this is you don't swipe it on because you want it to look like you barely did it, you know? Like you were born with it. We pat her on. Ta-da, cheese. I'm all done. This is like my normal, natural kind. I did went a little crazy with my waterline, but like, besides that, it's kind of normally what I do every day. So, hope you liked it, hope you enjoyed it. I'll do some more crazy looks in the future, I guess, and yeah, okay, bye.